Hey guys, welcome back to my channel in this series of Sikkim. My last video was from Namche and Ravangla, which is from South Sikkim, and this time I am here in Pelling, which is located in West Sikkim. So basically the trip to West Sikkim I will divide it in 2 days. So for today I am going to show you places from Pelling, and then in my next video I will show you some other places which is in the vicinity of Pelling. First stop which we are visiting in Pelling is the Skywalk, which is just like 3 to 4 kilometers away from the city center. And here, this is the Skywalk, and just beside this you will also see huge statue of Lord Buddha. किस्मत इतनी ख़राब है कि आज भी क्लाउडी है, बारिश हो रही है, तो पता नहीं कुछ दिखेगा कि नहीं दिखेगा। मुझे गैंगटॉक में एटलीस्ट 2 वीक्स हो चुके हैं, बट देन अभी तक मुझे कंचनजंगा का क्लियर व्यू नहीं मिला है। ये है हमारा स्काई वॉक। यहाँ पर आपको जूते उतार कर आना होगा। ठीक ठाक जगह है, मतलब इट्स नॉट काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ मस्ट विजिट प्लेस। छोटा सा स्काई वॉक है, आप यहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10 मिनट स्पेंड कर सकते हैं। तो स्काई वॉक के बगल में जो बुद्धा स्टैचू है, अब वो वहाँ पर जाते हैं। ये है लॉर्ड बुद्धा का स्टैचू, जो समथिंग लाइक सिमिलर लगता है रावंगला के। Now we'll leave for our second spot in Pelling, which is Singshore Bridge. Singshore Bridge from Pelling main city is a bit far. It will take somewhere around like 1.5 hours to reach there. We are now here at Singshore Bridge. Singshore Bridge is the second highest hanging bridge in Asia and first in Sikkim. The location of this bridge is actually amazing. This is really a wonderful place. This bridge is around 100 meters high and 200 meters long. This bridge was constructed in the year 1993, if I'm not wrong, and it was constructed in order to connect 2 hills. On one side of the hill is located one Uttare village, on other side is Pelling. So basically it makes easier for the village people to travel across this bridge. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लाउडी हो गया है, 10 मीटर्स पे भी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है। आई थिंक इट्स टाइम टू लीव। We have now reached Rabdanse ruins. This is a gate. Now from here you have to walk for at least like 1 kilometer to reach the ruins. The way to the ruins goes through the bird park. So this is proper paved path so that you don't get lost. This is basically kind of like a mini forest here, and you have to. So if you see here, Rabdanse site of ancient capital of Sikkim, and it is also a no polythene zone. Now there are two ways. I think both leads to same place. It's hard to figure out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, we'll go on this. Looks like the path which I have chosen is correct. So this is where the ruins start. It's almost like 1 kilometer from the main gate. Rabdanse ruins was actually a palace. So this palace was established in 16th century. Chogyal II, also known as Tenzung Namgyal, shifted the capital of Sikkim from Yuksom to Rabdanse. So Rabdanse was the second capital of Sikkim. It is said that Namgyal had 3 wives, and 3 wives were belonging to different communities like a Sikkimese, Bhutanese and a Limbu. Unfortunately, I was interrupted by a security guard as videography is not allowed. As Tenzung Namgyal had 3 wives, the children born from each of his wives had constant fight for the throne, and due to which it led to conflicts between regions of Nepal, Bhutan and Sikkim. Tenzung's son Chador Namgyal, who was born from his Sikkimese wife, took the power after the death of his father in 1700, but his stepsister from Tenzung's Bhutanese wife could not digest and brought Bhutan army to defeat Chador Namgyal. After which he fled to Tibet, and soon after a few years he returned and took back the throne, and later was killed by his step-sister. In the end, Sikkimese were defeated, and in the initial years of 18th century, eventually Nepalese army attacked Bhutanese army and turned the palace of Rabdanse into ruins. Now we are going to our last stop called Pema Yangse Monastery. Now Pema Yangse Monastery is one of the prominent monasteries in whole Sikkim. ये है पेमा यांगसे मोनेस्ट्री। ये यहाँ का बहुत प्रोमिनेंट मोनेस्ट्री है सिक्किम का। तो इसके अंदर चल के देखते हैं। जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ अंदर वीडियोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं होगा, तो मैं आपको बाहर का दिखाता हूँ। वाह, व्यू देखिए यहाँ से। The history of this monastery dates back to 1705, and it was founded by Lama Latsung Chempo. It is one of the oldest monasteries in Sikkim. This monastery was built only for monks of pure Tibetan lineage. It is a 3-story building with a large prayer hall. An upper level story have ancient Buddhist antique idols, carvings and sculptures. This monastery have withstood many earthquakes over centuries and is in excellent condition. The most famous festival that is celebrated in Pema Yangse Monastery is the Cham Festival, which is celebrated on the 28th and 29th of the lunar month each year as per the Tibetan calendar. तो ये था आपका पेमा यांगसे मोनास्ट्री, और आज की जर्नी यहीं ख़त्म होती है। वैसे तो पेलिंग में 8 से 9 साइट सीइंग प्लेसेस है, लेकिन मैं सब कुछ कवर करने वाला नहीं हूँ बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मोनेस्ट्रीज एंड वाटरफॉल्स एंड फ्यू व्यू पॉइंट्स. बट आई एम गोना विजिट डिफरेंट टाउन कॉल्ड युक्सम एंड देयर इज वन Kicharappalli Lake. Alright guys, that was all from today. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Make sure when you come here, you do not litter the place. Bye bye.